Video.
Hi! Dito kami sa Palace in the Sky. The People's Park.
Palace in the Sky. And it's so cold. People's Park.
O yan, di ba gusto mo ng exercise? Ano na? Parang si ano to si Kim Samson na. Hindi. Ganito, di ba?
Hi guys, this is our last stop. And this place called Palace in the Skies, but also known as a People's Park. This is the last stop here in Tagaytay. Nakapagod actually. We're so excited, so cold. And see guys, you're going to see the clouds passing by. And you can touch the sky. What can you say, Ella?
I'm tired.
Tired already? We're just beginning. Jeline, ano kahalikan ka dyan? Guys, this place cool.
Guys, ito yung nasa People's Park kami ngayon. Yan, yun yung view. Diba, Raf? Yes. May kumakanta. Yan. Bibidyo okay. Diyan kami galing. Yan. Yan yung kaling. Yan yung highway na pinanggalingan namin. Doon. Ganon. Yan. Ngayon, akit kami ngayon dun sa pinaka-tok-tok. Okay. Ayun. Si Rafi. Makit na sila. Yan, see the view? See? Mas cool? Wow, see that? Imagine, yun yung Taal. Ayun. Hindi naman siya kita. Ayun. Grabe, ang ganda. Ay, binago nila. Alam mo dati, hindi to ganito. No? Ang putik na. Imagine niyo, ito yung rest house ni Marcos. Grabe. Ayan, bumaba na yung fog. Pababa na yun hanggang Tagaytay City. Kaya patay tayo pagbaba mamaya. Wala pa naman akong fog light. Nasa dulo tayo. Yan, yung nakikita nyo yan. Saan ba ang Makiling? Yung ba yung Mount Makiling o ito?
Yan yata. Where? Usual ba yan? I don't know. Usual?
Hindi ko alam eh. Sis, okay ka na?
Yeah.
Grabe yung fog. Here guys, look. Naku, kaunti na lang yung ano.
Say hi. Okay, it's already 6 p.m. so we decided to go down now to go home because it's too foggy and I think it's not safe to drive at this kind of cliff.